Welcome, Flutter enthusiasts. Welcome back to Widget Wisdom. In this exciting video, we're diving deep into the world of Flutter's slidable widget. As you can see, on my screen, I'm having this beautiful sliding animation for my list item. Now we are going to implement this same behavior, which will implement this unique interactions for our users. We will have this sliding animation, from both the side of screen. So let's start this video. And one more thing, if you want the code or written tutorial, then I'll provide the link in the description and pinned comment also, so you can find all the code and its explanation there. And if you like these videos, then please do support me at Patreon. It helps the channel to grow, and excite me for making such content for you. So let's continue. I've opened my IDE. And now, for implementing Slidable Widget, we need to use this Flutter Slidable package. And now tap on this pub get option, so that it will get all the files of this dependency. Now open main.dart file, and inside this I've my Slidable Widget class. And this class is getting called from this my app widget. Now, come inside this my Slidable Widget. Here I've this empty scaffold. Now let's create a app bar for our screen. And here I'm giving my app bar a title as Slidable Widget. Now let's create a body for this screen. So now here we want slidable animation for a list tile. So here create a list view. And inside this list view we need to give its children. So here for its children, give it a slidable widget. This slidable widget is coming from our Flutter slidable package. So, now inside this slidable widget create its child as list tile. Now assign a title for this list tile as Slide Me. Now let's give a background color to our list tile. So for doing that, let's make use of tile color. And here give it a gray color. Now save the code to check that everything is working fine or not. So yeah, our code is running pretty much fine as of now, but this is a darker gray color. So let's make it a bit light, so yes, it is fine now. So, up until now, our list tile is created. Now, it's time for adding slidable animation to this list tile. So for doing that, inside this slidable widget make use of Start Action pane. So it will add the sliding animation in the left side of screen. Now here add action pane, which will be responsible for adding action when sliding. Now inside this action pane, add the motion as scroll motion, so that it will add this motion to our list tile. Now here add the dismissible property of action pane, and assign it dismissible pane, and inside this, we need to assign the action which it will do after the on pressing. So as for this tutorial purpose, I'm making it empty. Now, finally give it the children, so here I'm adding slidable action widget, which will be shown as the button when we slide the list tile. So here, first we need to define what it need to do when pressed on this item. So let's make it empty as of now. So that was it for this video. Now we want our first button to delete the item, so give it a background color as red. And the foreground color as white. Now we need to give the icon for this button, so give it a delete icon, because we are going to delete the item, and here for label give it a delete text. Now let's copy this slidable action and paste it down here. And now let's make another button for share this list tile. So for doing that, give it background color as green, icon as share, and label as share. Now save the code. And here as you can see this list tile have this slidable behavior. And we are able to see this delete and share button. Now you can add any kind of button here, and you can assign these button action on this on pressed callback. So up until now we have this sliding animation on the left side of the screen. Now let's add this same animation on the right side of the screen. For doing that, we have this property called as End Action Pane. So here I'm copying this above Start Action Pane code and pasting here for the End Action Pane. And I'm changing the icon, color and label for right side button. Now save the code, and as you can see, now I can slide this card from both side. And I can have 4 different kind of action for the same item, without covering any space from the screen. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, then please, like, share and subscribe with your fellow coders. Thank you. And have a good day.